everybody. I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of what it is to clean one of these refrigerators out. So here we go. Let me put my gloves on. Got to have gloves for this. This refrigerator is on and working. This stuff is, I don't know. What is this? I mean, oh, that's nice. It amazes me how you save stuff like this. Why you would even put this in a refrigerator. I mean, that is so far, I don't know telling how long that's been back there. I don't think this refrigerator is going to be able to be cleaned good enough. So they ruined the refrigerator. So yeah. Ruined. Nothing even in here, and it's ridiculous, these people. That's why I don't know. All right, I gotta empty these. So we'll take a little break here. I scraped. There's the two scrapers right there. I scraped all this. You're going to have to put water on it. I don't know what to say about all that. The other side. Man, I feel for the young lady that's got to clean this one out. I'm quite sure they won't clean it out. I'm quite sure it'll get thrown away. And it still works. It's just how people, this is a rental property. They don't care. What is this? Oh, this is medicine. All right, so that's this side. Let's go to the next side. Oh, they got their Arm & Hammer change every 30 days. Huh, I don't think so. They didn't change that 30 days ago. This side's not too bad. It's a little worse. Go here. I wish I knew how to do that. You could see me do this to several refrigerators, even worse than this. I don't make anybody that works for me do these. I do every one of them. I don't pay them enough for this. I don't get paid enough for this. That's how you clean out a very nasty refrigerator in 3 minutes, 4 minutes. You get in there and you get it done. Feel sorry for if they're going to try to clean it. They always just throw it away. Alrighty. Here's the garage again. This is where we're at. There's trusty assistant Matthew working hard like always. Well, no. Yeah, he works hard. He does a good job. Been with me for 2 years. I'm not looking forward to this backyard. The wind's blowing, it's cold. I've seen worse though. I mean, these floors are just tore up, and I can't scrape these floors. They're just going to have to. I scraped the garage, but I can't scrape these floors. I'll just totally ruin them. And this is probably new tile, so they'll have to completely redo them. And that came from upstairs. Is that all that tile from upstairs? Is that all that tile from upstairs? So, I don't see why we would keep it. You think we should keep it?
Leave it in the garage at least.
Yeah, we'll leave it in the garage. We'll come back and get it and throw it away if we have to. But this can be cleaned. This ain't bad. I mean, but you got to do the walls. The walls, the baseboards. They'll have to definitely redo this, which isn't that big a deal. It's only it's only 2 rooms. So, alrighty, that was fun. We're getting there. I'm gonna take this stove. There's just no way. There's just no way. Yeah, there's no way they're gonna clean this stove. So I'm gonna take this stove and set it outside, let somebody have it. There's no way they're gonna clean that. I won't take the refrigerator because they might attempt to clean that. I mean, it could. I don't know. I don't know if they do. I don't think so. When they get this dirty, I just don't think there's any chance. But I know they ain't gonna clean this. Oh yeah, that's just too bad. Yeah. All right. Oh, 8 minutes? Wow. Peace.